So when fastening the front apron under the lip of the seat, the one joint where you may want to clamp while assembling is that apron to the side leg. So Jason's going to put a clamp and show us the location to do so. He's covered the ends of the clamp with painter's tape so you're not marring the wood. So you're going to want to keep the clamp level, which means it'll go on the back side of the front arm there, just above the seat. But then the level line will then go over to where the apron is gripped against the front leg and the seat to get a tight joint there. And now Jason's going to attach that apron to the seat.